After opening new Canva project, use any image. Let's use this one. And let's go to elements, grange frame, photos. Let's use any grange frame, for example this one. So these two images don't have the same resolution. Let's click on our frame and try to switch the colors to make the frame in white color. Go to edit, filters, click see all, and scroll down to duotone, custom, and switch these colors. Make the black white and make the white black. So we have now a white border, and go to apps, type blend image, use this app and click on the background first, use it in bottom layer, click use selected image and select the frame, use it in top layer, click use selected image, go to blend mode and choose screen. In the screen mode we mask the black color, and in multiply we mask the white color. So let's back to screen mode, and now let's make the frame fit exactly the image. Click adjust top layer, top placement, and choose stretch. Click add to design, and now we have a perfect frame. I hope you like this tutorial. Subscribe to the channel to learn more about Canva.